आल्तो दाबोळे ते MES कॉलेज जंक्शन मेरेन राष्ट्रीय महामार्गाचेर फ्लायओव्हर बांदतले. हो फ्लायओव्हर बांदपा खातीर केंद्रीय येरादारी मंत्री नितीन गडकरी हाणें 455.50 कोटी रुपया मंजूर केल्यात. लोकसभा वेंचणुके खातीर आचारसंहिता लागच्या पयलीं ह्या कामाचो बुनयादी फातर घालून बेगीनूच कामाक सुरवात करतले अशी माहिती येरादारी मंत्री माविन गुदिन्होन दिल्या.
The dream to have a flyover from the great separator Dabolim right up till Queenie Nagar junction has at last been realized. My sincere thanks to the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji for having sanctioned the money required. My special thanks and very special thanks to Shri Nitin Gadkari ji, who has finally made the dream come true of having a flyover where there were bound to be a lot of problems because of the vehicular traffic coming from Marmugao Harbour. I had explained to him and he was kind enough to make a public announcement at that point of time, which was more than 1.5 years ago. Finally, it has materialized and the work also would be starting very soon. I will be happy if he comes to lay the foundation stone for this particular flyover before the election code comes into force. But nevertheless, my sincere thanks on my own behalf and on behalf of all the people of my constituency that he has fulfilled our long desire to have smooth flow of traffic along that particular section. I think in Dabolim, as I always say, Dabolim first. We are the first to come out with, in fact, the first flyover in entire Goa was the great separator which the late Manohar Parrikar ji had given. My sincere thanks to everyone, including the National Highway, who were quick enough, particularly Mr. Furtado, who is the local representative of National Highway, for having helped to move the things faster than expected.